Hello friends, my name is Kumar Sanu. I am from Brain Models Institute. This is our sixth lecture. Today we are going to discuss direction sense, which will help you a lot in your upcoming bank exam as well as SSC CGL paper. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start it. In direction sense, you have to study. There are 10 direction. One is east, west, north, south, and here is north, east. Here is your okay, it is northeast, it is northwest, and it is southeast, and here it is southwest. Except from these eight, one is upward direction and one is downward direction. Okay, and you in short trick you can also memorize a word and north, east, south, west. And why this sequence? Because after north in clockwise direction it will come east, after it is south, after south is west, and after west in clockwise direction it will come north. So let's learn more and more trick with some examples. Okay, let's move on to first example. Here the question is, one morning after sunrise, Sita and Geeta were standing in a chowk in Mumbai with their back toward each other. Okay, back toward each other means, suppose this is Sita, okay, and this is Geeta. Back to back each other. Geeta is facing north and Sita is facing south, or in any direction. Okay, don't use this direction right now. Sita's shadow fell exactly towards right of hand side. Okay, Sita's shadow fell towards her right. This is Sita's left, this is Sita's right. So Sita's shadow was fell in this side. This is shadow of Sita. Okay, so if this is shadow, then it means light come from here. Light come from here. It is a time of sunrise. Then this is your east. Okay, this is your sun. Guys, my drawing is not so good. Try to manage that this is sun. Okay, assume this is sun. So this is east. If this is east, then what is the question? Which direction was Geeta facing? So Geeta is facing towards north direction. If it is east, east, south, west, north, clockwise direction, NES. Okay, W. So Geeta is facing towards north direction. Let's move on to second question. A girl was going toward west. Okay, initial position of girl is here. She is going toward west. Then she turned left and then turned 90 degree in clockwise direction. Guys, if a person Ramu is facing toward this direction, if I am saying that Ramu turns to clockwise 90 degree, then clockwise is this direction, means Ramu is facing this in clockwise, Ramu is facing this in anti-clock. So here girl moves 90 degree in clockwise direction. Okay, so this is girl's direction. In which direction was she now going? So in which direction she is going toward west. Okay, alright. Now let's move on to third question. Amit walks 2 km northward. Okay, here is Amit initial question. 2 km northward. This is 2 km. Walks 5 km northward. Takes a left turn and walk 5 km. Takes a left turn and walk 5 km. And then turns right and walks 3 km. Then he turns right and walks 3 km. And again turn right and walk 5 km. Again turn right and walk 5 km. In which direction he is now from a starting point? Guys, if your question is in which direction he is facing, then he is facing toward east. He is facing toward east. But the question is in which direction he is now from a starting point. Starting from point means starting point is this. So from a starting point he is in north direction. So your answer is north. Here option is not written, so try to manage here. Okay, answer is north. Let's move on to next question. Okay, Sachin start from his house and walks westward. Sachin start from his house and walks westward. He then takes a left turn and then a right turn, and each turn he takes 3 km. Means this is 3, this is 3, and this is 3. Now in which direction he is walking? So he is walking in west direction. He is walking in west direction. Guys, sometime examiner give you magnitude in the question to confuse, but here is no need of 3 km. Okay, so don't pay attention to this magnitude. Okay, so next question is let's move on to next question. One morning Ram and Shyam were talking to each other, sitting opposite to each other. Okay, so let let's take, this is your Ram and here is Syam, means both were talking, so Syam is like, okay, this is your Syam, okay, and this is your Ram, both were talking to each other. Ram's shadow fell to his right. If this is Ram, then this is right side of Ram, this is left, so Ram's shadow is in this side, right side, this is shadow. So if this is right side, then sun is in this side, okay. If this is sun and it is the time of morning, then this is your east, okay. Don't see these marks which is previously, okay, it is this. So where I am, this is east. If this is east, then in which direction was he facing? In which direction Ram facing? If this is east, then what is this direction? This is south, this is west, this is north, okay, ESWN. So Ram is facing south, Ram is facing south, and where is Syam facing? Syam is facing north, okay. There are some more questions. I want you all to pause this video and try to make this question with yourself, and this question too. In my next video I will solve this and more question, important question which will help you in examination, okay, in my next video. So thank you so much to listen me linearly. If you have any problem, you can comment, and for my latest update you can please subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much.